Mary's Fiat. Understanding Mary's consent to become the mother of Jesus. Introduction. Today we delve into the pivotal moment in history, one that has resonated for centuries and continues to inspire believers worldwide. We'll explore the profound significance of Mary's Fiat, her resounding yes to God's plan, and how this moment of consent holds powerful lessons for our own journeys of faith. Setting the scene. To truly appreciate the depth of Mary's Fiat, let's transport ourselves to Nazareth, a quiet village in 1st century Palestine. Imagine a young woman named Mary, perhaps in her early teens, living a simple life. One day, an angel named Gabriel appears with a message that would change her life and the world forever. The angel's message. Gabriel's message is startling. Do not be afraid, Mary, for you have found favor with God, and you will conceive and give birth to a son, and you are to call him Jesus. He will be great and will be called the Son of the Most High. The paradox of consent. It is essential to understand the paradox embedded in Mary's response. She was being offered the extraordinary role to become the mother of the Son of God. Yet, she was also being asked to embrace something that would challenge societal norms and bring immense personal sacrifice. Mary's response, Fiat. In the face of the angel's announcement, Mary's response was a simple but profound Fiat, which means, let it be done. With these words, Mary opened herself completely to God's will. Her yes wasn't just an agreement, it was an act of surrender, a testament to her trust in God's divine plan, even though she couldn't fully comprehend its implications. Lessons from Mary's Fiat. Trust in God's plan. Mary's Fiat teaches us to trust in God's plan, even when it seems beyond our understanding. Her unwavering faith in the midst of uncertainty sets a powerful example for us to follow. Surrender and obedience. Mary's surrender wasn't passive. It was an active choice to align her will with God's. It exemplifies the obedience required to follow God's call, even when it might lead us to unfamiliar paths. Humility. Mary's humility shines through her response. Despite the grandeur of the angel's message, she does not boast or question her worthfulness. This humility helps us recognize that God's plan often unfolds in unexpected ways. Theological significance. Mary's role as the Theotokos, the Mother of God, holds deep theological implications. Through her yes, she becomes the bridge between divinity and humanity, allowing God to take on our human nature, thereby making salvation possible. Mary's Fiat and our lives. While we might not receive angelic visits, Mary's Fiat offers us a blueprint for our living out our faith. It challenges us to discern God's call in our lives and respond with openness. It invites us to embrace the unknown with trust and courage, knowing that God's plans are always for our good. It encourages us to set aside our own desires and submit to God's will, recognizing that His ways are higher than ours. Conclusion. Mary's Fiat stands as a beacon of faith, obedience, and surrender. It's an invitation for us to echo a yes in our lives, allowing God's transformative powers to work within us. Just as Mary's consent changed the course of human nature, our own openness to God's plan can shape our personal journeys and the world around us. As we continue this program on Mary's life, let us reflect on her example and ask for the grace to imitate her Fiat in our own lives. May we learn to say yes to God, trusting that His divine plan is always better than anything we could ever imagine. Thank you.